And now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa.
Good morning and thanks for joining us. We're starting out with some pretty warm temperatures across the Ozarks in the low to middle 70s already. It's 74 degrees in Springfield, 75 in Branson, 74 in Harrison, and 71 in Fort Leonard Wood. So a bit warmer and more sticky for a lot of the Ozarks than it was yesterday. That MUGGY meter map popping with the oranges and reds telling us that it feels uncomfortable out there this morning. We're warm and humid ahead of a cold front that's still draped across parts of Iowa, Nebraska, and Kansas up to our north and west, but it's headed towards the Ozarks as we speak, and it will dip closer to the Ozarks as we head through the afternoon and prompt the development of a couple of showers and storms as we head through the day today. What the bigger issue is going to be is that it gets stuck. It arrives today and then stops because we've got an area of high pressure to the south that doesn't really let it go anywhere. So with the breaks on this front, we're looking at rounds of showers and storms starting really on Wednesday and then through the end of the week and into the weekend. And the problem with this is, like we saw last week, is this front carves out a path for showers and storms, and then that path is going to really change. So we're going to keep these showers and storms hitting the same areas more than once, and each storm will be capable of heavy rain. So then we're looking at heavy rain over the same areas over the stretch of a couple of days, and that sets up a threat for some localized flooding. As far as how much rain to expect, generally speaking, about 1 to 4 inches. And like we saw last week, where this front winds up setting camp will really depend on where the heaviest rain sets up. So I caution putting down very specific rain totals just yet because I want to see where the front goes through today and then where it stops. So we'll be able to get a much better idea after today where the heaviest rain sets up. So as we head through the day today, temperatures in the lower 90s, hot and humid again. You can see a couple of showers and storms could pop, especially for the eastern Ozarks. Then we're looking at a mostly quiet night tonight. Temperatures still warm around 70, and then showers and storms should dive down by sunrise tomorrow, where we're looking at a couple of storms through the first half of the day tomorrow morning. Then we could have some redeveloping storms tomorrow afternoon because, again, the front is just going to sit and stall out. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon will still be up around 90, feeling much hotter than that with the humidity. So what we're expecting here again is that the front arrives today but stalls through the weekend. That's going to bring us waves of showers and storms, but mostly a heavy rain and lightning threat. Other modes of severe weather, probably not looking at that all too much. I'm really more concerned about the heavy rain and lightning. And then that pathway of the heaviest rain could shift based on where that front sets up, going a little bit farther north, a little bit farther south. Generally speaking, about 1 to 4 inches of rain possible. Again, I want to pin down those totals a little bit better for you in the coming days, but with that would come localized flooding concerns because we'll just squeeze out heavy rain over the same areas over the stretch of a couple of days. 92 degrees today, mostly sunny. It will feel like 98. A couple of showers and storms possible. Winds shift from the south to the north and west. 70 overnight, warm and muggy. Couple of storms possible by sunrise. Then we keep a chance for some scattered showers and storms tomorrow afternoon with a high around 90. We keep that storm chance through the end of the week and then into Saturday. Notice the temperatures come down into the middle 80s with some of the clouds and the repetitive rain. The temperatures take a little bit of a hit during the afternoon with those temperatures in the middle 80s. It looks like the front shakes itself out maybe by Sunday, maybe a drying trend there, but a chance of storms returns by Monday.